Going back to one of the main top breaking updates that we have been taking on the Ludhiana blast aftermath. Now, Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has given a fresh twist to the Ludhiana blast, saying when the blast took place in Ludhiana, the drugs case which involves Akali leader Bikram Singh Majithia was being heard in Mohali. Hence, he says he suspects possible involvement of drugs mafia. Channi, however, added that so far there has been no proof of a Pakistan-Khalistani link. Let me go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who's joining us from Chandigarh. Sabyasachi, what we can in fact see is while yesterday the Chief Minister said that anti-national elements were probably behind this blast, now he's come out with a remark essentially saying that there could also be a possible involvement of drugs mafia, because parallel at the same time, simultaneously as this blast that took place, there was a drugs case involving Bikram Majithia which was being heard in Mohali. Majithia has been a controversial figure in Punjab for long, and we have in fact seen the war of words between Congress and Akali on this issue. But now this link being drawn between Majithia, the case related to Majithia, and this particular blast, do we know anything more? What exactly did the Chief Minister mean by this?
Well, absolutely. If you see, CM Channi has given it a complete new twist, and he has named Majithia today. Majorly of his press conference was focused on Majithia, on Shiromani Akali Dal, and how the drugs were supplied in Punjab during the Shiromani Akali Dal tenure. And clearly he stated that when a hearing was about to happen of Majithia in Mohali, at that particular same time, the blast had taken place in Ludhiana, and he clearly stated that there are possible links of the drug lords and drug kingpins in Punjab to the blast in Ludhiana, and that is what the Punjab police are now will be investigating. He has clearly stated that FIR has been lodged against Akali leader Majithia, and the investigation will carry on. And most of his press conference today was focused on the drug menace in Punjab and attacking the Shiromani Akali Dal over the drug menace that has taken place in Punjab. He also stated that the Congress party has been fighting against the drug situation in Punjab since 2006, and clearly at this particular point it is very much important that all the drug lords and drug kingpins who are behind this drug menace in Punjab should be put into legal action. And that is why he clearly stated that there is a possible connection between the drug lords and the Ludhiana blast that has taken place. He also attacked Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and clearly on the Ludhiana blast, he clearly stated that the investigative agencies which have come from the center will be investigating further, especially on the type of RDX which has been used. And clearly he stated that the Punjab police as well as the agencies will work hand in hand, and the state has been put into high alert looking at the kind of situation that is happening in Punjab one after the other.
Right, Sabyasachi, thank you so much for joining us with that. Yes, exactly. I mean, the fact is that this is all happening ahead of the elections in Punjab, and which is why whether or not what sort of a link is being drawn, of course, the matter is under investigation. But this comment by the Chief Minister there clearly giving a very fresh direction to what the Ludhiana court blast case initial probe seemed to indicate.